Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Spanish Town. We're going on to Burke Road now, and that will take us into Spanish Town. Now, Spanish Town is one of the largest cities in Jamaica. It's not the largest city is Kingston, which is also the capital. But Spanish Town is actually older than Kingston. Spanish Town was founded back in the 1600s, maybe the 1500s, when the Spanish ruled Jamaica. Or, yeah, I guess rule is the correct word, or when Jamaica was a colony of Spain. So Spanish Town was the capital of Jamaica when the Spanish ruled Jamaica. Kingston was formed after the Port Royal. No, I think Kingston was formed before. I'm not sure, but Kingston became very popular after the Port Royal earthquake, because that is when Port Royal was destroyed and Kingston was the closest town to Port Royal. So that is when Kingston, I think it was in the 1800s, Kingston really flourished and became the capital. But Spanish Town was the first capital. No, it wasn't the first capital, but it was the capital when Jamaica was under the rule of the Spanish. So this city is probably 500 years old. Now it has, on the left is the Spanish Town Hospital. So it has a very large population and it's a huge city. It's large, it's well laid out, because it's coming from hundreds of years. You're going to find a lot of historic buildings in Spanish Town as well. I think it's the Spanish Town Cathedral. It's an Anglican church. It's one of the oldest churches in Jamaica. You have Flatbridge, which is a Sagicor outside of Spanish Town, and that is the oldest bridge in Jamaica. And it was used to link Spanish Town with the rest of the island. And you also have the cast iron bridge, which is the oldest cast iron bridge in Jamaica, and I think in the Caribbean. And you have a lot of very historic buildings that were built from back in the days of the Spanish. But we are on Burke Road now, and on the right is the prison oval. It's like a field where they play like cricket, football, but there's a prison over there as well. That's why they call it Prison Oval. Now on the left, we're coming up to one of the largest shopping plazas in Jamaica, in Spanish Town as well. Now Spanish Town has a very large population. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Friday, so you have this traffic. But two of the busiest plazas in Jamaica are on this road. This is Burke Road, the LOJ Shopping Center, and I'm not sure what the name of this plaza is straight ahead, but I'll soon tell you when we pass it. Actually, the Sagicor, the second plaza that we're going to pass, used to be the LOJ Plaza, but LOJ was taken over by Sagicor, so it's now the Sagicor Plaza. I'm not sure what is causing this traffic. I know there's a bus stop up there. I don't know if it's people or cars blocking the road. Oh, I know what's causing it. Now, Spanish Town is one of the largest cities in Jamaica. And you should see the state of the roads in Spanish Town. Oh my God. Further up on Burke Road, you think you're driving through a riverbed. The condition of the roads. So I'm almost sure that because the cars have to stop to go through the potholes, that is what is causing this traffic delay here. It's ridiculous to know that a major town in Jamaica could have roads like this. Now, I don't know if it's the government of Jamaica, the NAA, to fix the road, or is the Spanish Town, the St. Catherine Parish Council, or whoever is responsible, is not doing a very good job. Now, where you can understand a secondary road being in a bad state, because we can understand. There is no excuse for a main road in a major town like Spanish Town to be in the state it is. Totally unacceptable. So I don't know who is to blame, but somebody needs to. And it's been like this for weeks, months. I have no idea why it hasn't been fixed. Of course, let the people block the road and start protesting, and you see how fast they fix it. But I guess until that is done, we just have to wait. Okay, straight ahead on the left is the plaza. There's an NCB Bank over there, a Western Union, a Bill Express. And of course, when you have traffic delays in Jamaica, you have a lot of indisciplined drivers. So you saw that car on the right cutting the line of traffic to try to get ahead. And then on the right, I don't know if you can see, there's a taxi that has stopped on the side of the road, I guess waiting on passengers. So these things just add to the traffic delays. Okay, straight ahead on the right, you can see some cars just literally parked on the side of the road. Coming up on the left, you're going to see that as well. Alright, straight ahead on the left you can see some cars parked up. Look at they're parked in front of the Spanish Town police station. Okay, I'm trying to figure out the name of this mall, but I don't see any name that we can see from the main road, not yet at least. But a lot of stores over there. You can see all the signs on the outside of the mall. Very strange that I don't have a large sign that tells you the name of the mall. Okay, so you see on the left and the right of the road, the cars just parked. And these cars are actually parked in front of the police station. Okay, the name of the plaza is the St. Jago Shopping Center. Okay, and now beside it, on the left, where you see the blue gate, that is Spanish Town Police Station. So maybe cars are allowed to park on the road here, because I can't imagine you illegally parking in front of a police station. But here you see some cars on the left, and you see some cars on the right. Well, there's a yellow line, so I'm not sure. Okay, on the right you're going to see one of those old buildings. You can tell it's old because the top part of the building seems to be built out of wood. So we're basically in Spanish Town now. We're on Burke Road. Alright guys, straight ahead where you see that tall structure that has a clock, that's the Sagicor shopping center. And right now we're intersecting White Church Street. You turn left, it takes you back to the Spanish Town bypass. You turn right, it takes you to Brunswick Avenue. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.